Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to see how we can generate custom text with custom fonts easily without installing any software in our machine. So if you have found your desired font in thefont.com, then it's very easy for you. But I will show another process whenever you don't have or you don't find the font in this website, then you can that process as well. So first, let's choose a font. Let's say I want to go with this. So click here and I want to write the letter revive, and let's click here, submit, and it will take a moment, and then you will get two types of font, or if the font allows you multiple types or styles, then it will be shown here. Now what we have to do, you have to just click here to download the font, or you can, and this download button will actually download the font file. Or what you can do here, you can right click on your mouse and click here to inspect. Now you can click here, and as you can see, you can choose this option for background image and click here. You will see the text with image. I mean, it has generated an image. Fine. But if you want to take a screenshot, you can also do that here as well. So this is a process where you can download your custom or desired font. Now let's go with another process where I want to download my custom font and then use it in other tools. So let's say I have downloaded a font and I want to generate text based on that font. So now let's go to Photopea, then click here, and we have a window where we can use or start our new project. So click new project here. You can use any type of project. For now, I will go with this one, YouTube cover, and create. Now we have a project here. Now what we have to do, you have to, let's say I have the font downloaded here and it is puremechanic.ttf. I have downloaded it from the thefont.com. You can use any other websites, but make sure it is the file format is TTF or OTF. Okay. And if so, now just drag and drop this font file here, and it will say, like, if you want to upload it. Okay. Then you'll see a pop-up that it is uploaded. Now let's take a text block or text element. Just you can click T on your keyboard, select or click here, and let's write revive. Now our font is very tiny so that we can't see it. Now let's change the font size from here and click here. And from here, you may not see your desired font already. For that, just go to here, this option, font selection option, and search for your font name. So I'll just go with Pure Mechanic, and here it is. And if I click here, as you can see, it is already there. And I can now change color of the font. I can now change the text width or anything I want with this tool. This is a Photoshop-like tool, and it is considered a quick tool, Photoshop alternative. So you can use this, and after you are finished, let's say I want to increase this to 200 pixels or maybe even more, 400 pixels. It's fine. Now let's move it here. Now I want to export this design. Now if I click file, then I can export it as PNG, or I can export it as these different kind of file formats. So, or I can go to image and then I can trim it, and then let's say transparent, click OK. Okay, for that we have to make the background transparent, and let's go image, trim, transparent, OK. Now as you can see, the whole other area or the blank area is trimmed. Now let's go file and click here to export. Okay, now we have exported our font, and like this you can use it anywhere, whether it can be your logo or any other design. So I hope you enjoyed the video and found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.